So second car for today, we got a Corolla. I believe it's a 2018. We're the 100,000 mile setup. They want $1,200 to do, not including parts. So I think we should be around 350, 370 on parts, and we will be doing transmission fluid, radiator, oil change, spark plugs, air filter, cabin air, and the belt, the regular drive belts. So, but I'll probably chop it up into shorts and then I'll also make one big video. So first thing we're gonna do, we have our mobile mechanic Isaac, and he will be doing the cabin air. So we'll get that out ready to go. So it's the air filter we got. These are the part numbers on back. I'm not sure which one, maybe that's the number. So we want to open up the glove box, Isaac. The cabin air is behind it.
Where's the button for it?
Just, it's not a button, just open the handle, grab the handle. Yep. So we're gonna have to pull the box off, but it has this little shock here that you squeeze and pull the shock away, which is hard to do with one hand. So if you could squeeze it and then pull that off. Oh, too bad, it fell off. You're good. So now we could either rock this out of the way or pull it out. We'll get them right back for you. So on this car, they have these little getaways that's holding it up. You got to push that one out, and there's one on the other side. Push it out, and then it should drop like a man. Hey, there you go. So they have a lot of stuff in the way. You can just put it and set it to the side. Let's put this over. Put it on the driver's side seat. I don't want to put it on the floor and get it dirty. So in here is your cabin air. So Isaac will push this and pop this out. Push it and pop it out that way. Yep, now pull the whole thing off. Yep. See that thing right there that says up?
Yeah.
Grab that thing out. And see how nice and dirty it is? She's dirty. Okay, get the new one, stick it in.
This one?
That would be it, my guy. I don't recall how much we paid for the filter, but this is something definitely you could do yourself. The 10-year-old kid doing it right now. I'm sure the dealer would charge you $30 for the part, which is probably less than 20 bucks. I'll probably charge you another $20, $30 to put it in, which you could see what we're doing. Shouldn't be that much. Now make sure to see if there's one that says up. What about on the end?
Yep.
Okay, so there's your up. We know what up is. There you go. Now put that little cover on.
This?
Yep. It only goes on one way. Yep, like that. It goes into that slot at the end, and then this side first. So that side first. Yep, push it into there. And once you get that, push it all the way and make it go click. Oh, wow, we're done. And that's how you do it. Now grab your dealio, your glove box. And if you look on the back here, all they do is slide right into these. See, it's a little finger right there, just like that. And it'll line up right with those little rod there.
Oh, that's
Kind of close on this side. You gotta go down that way more. Go. You see, this has to go there. Yep. Now you got it on that side. Move your hand. If you did, is it in? Push it up a little bit. Oh, it's off again. You'll get it. You gotta hook it. He's close. Yep, like that. Now go up. And then, hold on, let it drop back down. Now we're gonna hook up this little shock.
What about this? No, this one doesn't have a shock.
Okay, now push it up. Looks good.
It's pretty good.
Maybe this stuff's in the way now. Okay, let's try it again. That side must not be on all the way. push it. Yeah, it's not on all the way.
It's not.
No. Alright, let's see what we can do. So we got it in. It's fine. So there's a little, like I said, the little C on the back. The rod wasn't all the way in, so now it is. And we hooked up this little shock, so it's good. That's your cabin air filter.